Are you having trouble downloading files on Twitter for PC after the latest update? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through some simple troubleshooting steps to fix this issue. First things first, let's start by restarting your device. Sometimes a quick restart can resolve any temporary glitches or conflicts causing the download issue. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. It's also a good idea to check for any updates on your device. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues with apps like Twitter, so ensure your operating system is up to date. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. These services can sometimes interfere with the app's functionality, so turning them off may help resolve the problem. If none of these solutions work, it's time to reach out to Twitter support. Their official channels are there to provide further assistance and troubleshooting for persistent issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Twitter download issue on your PC and get back to enjoying the platform to its fullest. Thanks for watching, and good luck.